luar kako fiaf. Wa ko moli fu ke fa kasi. Ki ko va malo lu luar va mangu. Ko ki pa ka urave. Ku fa malo ka wasa. Ku sa le va keu ka mai le va kau. Mau pe lang o le va fa flau. Kami ngai. Ma ko ke va pe aku. Le ala ko ma ko wa inga fa fia ke ko e po ngai. Ladies and gentlemen, I love you.
Love you too. Love you for. Love you too, man. Beautiful little kitty. Can I put you on my back? Hello, McAuley. I love you. I love you, McAuley. I love you too.
Thank you. Welcome to Tanu Beach. That little girl was trying to say in Samoa. Well, great people by saying talofa.
Talofa.
McAuley talofa.
Talofa.
Bay talofa. When I say hello, everybody talofa, hello. Nayland, fresh kids on the block. Talofa. Kia ora. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. If you're happy, give me a nice hand. Come on, put your hands. Beautiful day, beautiful night, beautiful people. Thank Lord for the beautiful day. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Tanu Beach once more. This is a family business. Mum, dad, brothers and sisters, nephews, nieces, everybody. My ex-wife, she's here. Tonight, ladies and gentlemen, we would love to perform a short entertainment. We would love to sing the Samoan song. It's a song about our village of McAuley, Tanu Beach, located in Manase. Everybody say Manase. Manase. Our village has been voted in many years in Samoa as the most beautiful village. Do you agree?
Yes.
Tauanu'u don't, because he's from up here. About the official greeting of the village, everything in Manase. So relax. If it's boring, go back to your house, get a bed. You say, ho, hey, hey. All right, Millie. Come on, bring back Millie. Everybody, Millie, McAuley, Millie. It means Nayland. Rub your hands together like this. Yeah, hurry up. When I say patia, give me one clap. Patia! Let's try again, Nayland. Sorry, I'm picking on you guys because you're fresh here. Let's do it again. Millie! Carefully. Millie! When I say patia, give me one clap. Patia! Good. Coming to the very special part of our show. From my father's respect, also from our respect tonight, ladies and gentlemen, that we'd love to call upon or to invite the leader of Green Bay, Sandra. Please come forward. Sorry, McAuley, this is one of my ex-girlfriends. Long time ago. Nothing.
You got cool hair.
Turn around.
Yeah. I love your hair.
When you enter the gate, they come into Tanu Beach. My father is your dad. My mother is your mother as well. No matter where you're from, Tanu as well. We all come together. Please, miss, go back to that chair. E noho. Thank you. Thank you, miss, for bringing Green Bay. This is your first time. I believe you're having a good time. Yeah. You know, in Samoa, you don't eat before the Chiefs, but you ate before the Chiefs this evening. Don't do that again. Anyway, young members of our group would love to perform the next Samoan Siva. We're going to give you beautiful Samoan flowers. Thank you very much for choosing Tanu as your host in Savaki Samoa. This paradise. McAuley, I don't know, South Auckland. Be quiet. Your chief is watching, right? Flowers of love from the High Chief Taito and the whole family, guys. Thank you very much once again. And also to Renee and all the teachers and all the students. Thank you very much. We'll see you next time, next year. Bring your 21-year-old daughter. Having a nice time for the special number. Come on, put your hands together. Here we go.
没两个。